Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about something that is extremely important, and that is offering a welcome discount when somebody signs up for your SMS list. Now, it's 2026, okay? If you don't already have all of your SMS stuff set up inside of Klaviyo and connected to your Shopify store, then go back and watch all of the other videos on my channel to make sure that you get it set up correctly. But this is extremely important, and it's really going to help you exponentially increase your sales in 2026. I have my own website clients where I do their email and SMS marketing for them, and I've actually seen better returns on SMS welcome discounts than email welcome discounts. People don't always check their emails, or sometimes it goes to spam, but people are always looking at their phones and they instantly get a text as soon as they sign up for the list, and it's right there, and then they use it. They check out, they don't have to go into any other app, they just click the link right there in their text, and boom, they use their discount code and they buy on your store. So let's jump into my computer and I'm going to show you how you can quickly set this up in less than 5 minutes. Pull up your Klaviyo account, and then the first thing you're going to want to do on the left hand side is click on flows. This is where we are going to set up our SMS welcome discount flow. Make sure you click create flow, and then you're going to want to build your own flow. So click that build your own flow in the top. Now you can just name it. I would name it like SMS welcome discount, something like that. And then you're going to want to click create manually. You can play around with AI if you want, but for this one, and what I suggest is manually setting up your flow. Now, the first thing you need to do is select a trigger. So we're going to do added to list, and then we're going to click SMS list. After that, we're going to click next, and then we're going to do confirm and save. Now you're going to want to select text message, so just drag and drop it, and here we're going to set up our text message details. So on the top, we're going to give it a name. This is just for our use only, so we'll name it welcome discount. Now we're going to check the settings. You want to make sure that the smart sending setting is actually turned off, so that way everyone receives this text message. That's really important. And then you want to enable UTM tracking, and you want to also click save here before you go edit. So now we're going to edit the content that's actually in the text message. So here in this little box on the left hand side is the message. So just do something simple like welcome, use code welcome15 at checkout for 15% off your first order, or whatever matches your branding and your tone. I would make sure that you click tap to shop, and then you're going to copy the link to your domain. So you want to make sure that you copy your domain and paste the link right there in the text, so that way they don't have to go back. Then you want to do automatically shorten links, and here is where you can add a product image, or if you don't, you just click the little negative button, and this is what the text message will look like. This is what I suggest starting out with first, and then just click save and continue. After that, you can see it's all set up on the right hand side, and we are good to go. When you're ready to publish it, just make it live. Thank you for watching today's video. If you want to learn more about Shopify, email marketing, different apps to use, and just business things in general, then consider subscribing to my channel. And with that, I will see you in the next video.